What's up, Sin City Food family? It's your favorite food review channel, Sin City Food Reviews. I'm JT.
I'm Mom.
And on this episode, we're back at New York, but this time we're at Greenberg Deli. Never tried it. Let's go check it out. Let's see what kind of sandwiches they have, and we're gonna rate them at the end. Welcome to Sin City Food Reviews. Just a mother and son out to conquer all food that is Las Vegas. So we ordered the turkey club, and then I ordered the New York Sky High. Corned beef, pastrami, and turkey. And then Mom got the Sky High turkey club. So that has turkey, bacon, I think it has pastrami on it, or something like that. But we're gonna check it out, we're gonna see how it is. It was about $42. For 2 sandwiches, a la carte, and a tea. What's impression?
It looks good. It looks really super good.
You think it looks like it's worth $42? Oh, the sandwich is huge. Hold it up to the camera. Holy cow, look at that sandwich. It is huge, guys. How is it? What's the value? Alright, I'm gonna try one of these. The funny part is I got the 2 mixed up. Mom had the Sky High, has coleslaw on the bottom, and I had the turkey club. The one I think was supposed to be hot, one was supposed to be cold, so I'm a little confused. They didn't label them. Our first time here, we don't know which one's which. They have the same kinds of meats. My assessment, look, still on the plate. Super fatty meats. Like, to be honest with you, the meats are super fatty. And then they didn't tell you could toast the sandwiches. I thought they came toasted. I'm like, oh, nice toasted sandwich. No, you gotta ask to get it toasted. So it's just crumbling apart. And $42 for 2 sandwiches, a la carte. Ugh. Raspberry teas. Teas are alright, but I don't know. I'm gonna say out of 5, I'm gonna give them a 2.75. Not a 3, not a 2.5, 2.75. Super nice people here. I like the setup. It looks pretty cool. It's comfy. It seems clean, but food just not there. Not there. Final assessment, Mom?
I'd say a 2. The sandwiches are falling apart. They're not toasted. The bread is dry and just literally crumbling apart.
What about the meats?
It seems fat. It's like a bunch of meat, which is good on the sandwich, but there's so much fat.
Yeah, it's totally meat. Look at those sandwiches. But they're mostly fatty. And if you get pastrami or roast beef or any like corned beef, it's just all fat. Turkey's not too bad. Would you recommend Greenberg Deli?
No, I really wouldn't.
We are Sin City Food, and you have been reviewed.